Standard EGR control solenoid, VS63. Part number, VS63. Package weight, 0.133 kilograms. Package dimensions, 7.6 L by 9.9 H by 8.1 W centimeters. Top reviews from the United States. Does not fit, 0004 Ford Focus. I gave the piece 5 stars since I was unable to install it, and it seems unfair to leave negative stars for Amazon's utterly wrong, direct fit for your 2002 Focus notation. While it appears well made, it is tiny compared to OEM, like it was made for a clown car, a Barbie Dream Convertible, or maybe a teeny tiny car manufactured by Lilliputians. There is absolutely zero chance the Ford emissions connectors will fit this itsy-bitsy item. The OEM connectors swallow the teensy-weensy male portion of this unit. Now, if my car was an RC car, maybe it would fit. But for an actual 2000 to 2004 Focus? Absolutely not.